Have you ever wondered how the Pterodaustro, a prehistoric flying reptile, navigated the skies of the late Cretaceous period? Venture with us into the past, to a time when this unique creature roamed the skies of South America. The Pterodaustro, a species of pterosaur and a true marvel of nature, was not your average flyer. This intriguing creature was characterized by its long, slender beak, a feature that housed over 1,000 bristle-like teeth. This adaptation was likely used to filter feed in the shallow waters of its habitat, but it also may have played a role in its flight. The Pterodaustro also boasted large, well-developed wings, a clear indication of its ability to navigate the vast open skies. These features, among others, suggest that this creature was finely tuned for a life spent predominantly in the air. With a wingspan of up to 3 meters, the Pterodaustro must have been a remarkable sight soaring through the prehistoric skies. But how did the Pterodaustro evolve to become such an efficient flyer? This is a question that has puzzled paleontologists for decades. The Pterodaustro, a Cretaceous-era pterosaur, was a marvel of evolution, with a skeletal structure, wing design and body size all geared towards achieving optimal flight efficiency. Let's start with its skeletal structure. The Pterodaustro's bones were light yet sturdy, thanks to a unique honeycomb-like internal structure. This lightness was key, as it allowed the creature to maintain flight without expending excessive energy. Next, let's look at the Pterodaustro's wings. They were long and thin, with a unique membrane stretched between the body and the elongated fourth finger. This design allowed for greater lift, making the Pterodaustro a master of soaring and gliding. The Pterodaustro was not a large creature, and its modest size was another adaptation that facilitated flight. Smaller creatures require less energy to fly, and the Pterodaustro's size allowed it to take to the skies with less effort than its larger counterparts. Now, let's talk about its long beak and bristle-like teeth. The Pterodaustro likely used these unique features to scoop up small invertebrates from the water surface while in flight, making it a filter feeder. This feeding method allowed it to exploit a unique ecological niche, combining feeding and flying in one efficient action. The Pterodaustro's unique adaptations not only allowed it to rule the skies, but also to exploit a unique ecological niche. So, what can we conclude about the Pterodaustro's flight capabilities and aerial life adaptations? Well, the Pterodaustro was indeed a unique creature, a master of the Cretaceous skies. Its flight capabilities were truly remarkable, the result of millions of years of evolutionary fine-tuning. With its long, slender wings, it was able to soar high above the prehistoric landscapes, gliding effortlessly in search of food. But the Pterodaustro was not just a skilled flyer, it was also perfectly adapted to an aerial lifestyle thanks to a host of specialized features. Its beak, for example, was lined with hundreds of thin, bristle-like teeth, perfect for filtering tiny organisms out of the water. This unique feeding mechanism allowed the Pterodaustro to thrive in environments where other species could not. Furthermore, these adaptations weren't just about survival. They also played a crucial role in the Pterodaustro's success during the late Cretaceous period. At a time when many species were struggling to adapt to a changing world, the Pterodaustro was thriving, its aerial lifestyle allowing it to exploit resources that others couldn't reach. In conclusion, the Pterodaustro's flight capabilities and aerial life adaptations were nothing short of extraordinary. They enabled this unique pterosaur to navigate and thrive in a challenging world, demonstrating the incredible diversity and adaptability of life during the Cretaceous period. The Pterodaustro is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth, even in the face of extreme environmental changes.